Let me show you how to use the PMU Pen Pro. First, plug the cord in here. Then plug the other end into your power supply. As you can see, the power supply is now on. Then take the other cord, plug one end of the cord into the left side of the power supply. Plug the other end that has the gold pin into the pen. If you leave it like this, it's not going to work. Make sure it's pushed all the way in, and this is where the cartridge goes in. To turn the power supply on, press and hold until you see it lighted up. To turn the pen on, tap once. Now the pen is working. To turn it off, tap again. To adjust the speed, use the side buttons. For slower speed, press the minus button. For faster speed, press the plus button. You have two memory settings. To set up the correct speed that you wish to store, press and hold M1 or M2. As you can see, we set the speed to 4.7. If you press the other memory button, you will see that the speed is different. In this case, it's 4. If you want to change it, set the desired speed, then press and hold to store the memory. Now it's set to 5.7. So, we set M1 to 4.7 and M2 to 5.7. M1 indicates shading speed, M2 lining speed, but you could do as you wish.